we are going to learn how to solve the upload file exceeds the upload max file size directive in php.ini issue in WordPress in a simple way. Now we got this error while installing a plugin in WordPress. To solve this issue, log into your Cpanel. Search PHP. Select Multi-php.ini editor. Choose your domain. Scroll down and change upload max file size to 256 MB and click Apply. Now let us try to upload the same plugin again. Click on Plugin and click Add New. Click Upload Plugin. Choose the plugin zip file from your computer. The plugin is being successfully installed now. Now you can click to activate the plugin. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel.